Welcome to the Home Cool Gadgets channel, where you can find the latest gadgets that came in the market.
Light bulb cameras are a genius invention that makes putting in a security camera as easy as screwing in a light bulb. They're an inconspicuous way of monitoring your home, to keep you and your family safe, but can be used in a lot of other ways, too. All you need is a Wi-Fi connection and a smartphone to use these best light bulb cameras from our list below in your home. To save your time and money, we've completed our research and review 4 different models available on the market.
Number 1. Number 2. Number 3. Number 4.